AI and ChatGPT to create a done-for-you AI booking and closing service that makes you thousands of dollars. You can see just in the last few days, we were able to pull $7,500 through this funnel. And we were able to use, again, AI and ChatGPT to actually go and do this. Now, here's the really cool thing. We can use ChatGPT to actually book appointments on our calendar or on a client's calendar of ours, and we can go and automate the sales on this as well by hiring people to go and sell different AI done-for-you services. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about and you're brand new here, don't worry. I'm going to walk through all of this step by step so you can kind of see exactly how this works and you can determine whether or not you want to do this yourself. So let me just show you visually kind of how this is actually going to play out, and then you'll be able to kind of understand at least the first part, which is really just going and getting people on our calendar. So for this, we're using a tool called High Level. I will leave a link to a 30-day free trial to this tool if you'd like to check it out. But we're using an automation sequence inside of High Level that will actually respond to people that send us messages and it helps us book them on a calendar invite with ChatGPT. So let me show you just really quickly how this works. What we're going to do is we're going to have people send us a message through a chat widget like this one on our website. So if I click on this bottom right, you can see there's this little chat widget. It says enter your question, and we can say, hey, I need help getting leads. And I'm going to press send. Now what's going to happen is when I press send here, ChatGPT will go and take this question and it'll create a response for it based on the training that we gave ChatGPT. So inside of this module here, you can see we're telling ChatGPT that a user from our website just submitted the following response. So it just took the response right here, the message right here, and it added it right there. So ChatGPT knows what the person just wrote. Now, what we're going to say is our goal is to respond to them and get them to book an appointment with us via our calendar link here. We're going to say to ChatGPT, please send a response now to our user. So we're going to say a couple other things. We want to make sure that it's personal, but then we're going to get a conversation going with this actual user, and ChatGPT is going to go make a custom message that's going to tell them to get onto our 15-minute strategy call. Now, using this strategy, you can see we've actually completely booked out our calendar this month, and we can use this as well for any industry, right? So if we wanted to use this for real estate or any sort of thing that we're going to want to get people to book a call on, right? Any sort of appointment that we're going to try and sell something to somebody with, we can use this automation. ChatGPT will actually go and craft messages for us based on how we train it. Now, what we can do is we can wait on a 2-second delay after they send a message, and then we can text them back. Now, let me actually read you the response that we got here. Here we go. It says, hi there. Thank you for reaching out. We would love to help you get started. The best way to do, and by the way, this is on my cell phone because it's texting me back. So that's why you can't see what I'm reading here. I'm reading it off my cell phone. The best way to do that is to book an appointment with us through our calendar link here. This will allow us to discuss your needs and how we can assist you. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Okay. So that was the response that I got from ChatGPT. Obviously, I'm as the lead, I'm not going to know that ChatGPT actually created that custom response for me. And the cool thing about this is you can actually do this on different channels as well. So you wouldn't actually have to just do this over texting. You could do this over email. You could do this over Facebook Messenger. So if somebody sends you a message on Messenger, you can automatically do this. If somebody sends you a message on Instagram, you can automatically do this. And then what we're also doing is when somebody becomes a lead for us, we're also sending them into an email sequence where we're explaining why they should book a call with us and why they should end up buying a service from us. Okay, so now the next question somebody would have with this process would be, how do you get set up with the funnel? Again, you would go to High Level. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can just go grab the free trial and then you can build your own funnel. How do you generate leads to the funnel? Okay, so now you're probably thinking, well, okay, great, I have this funnel, but how do I get people to actually send me messages? And so what we're using is a few different strategies, a lot of stuff that we actually go and utilize our ShineRanker tool for. And if you're not familiar with ShineRanker, I own a software company called ShineRanker. And this tool, we're actually building a bunch of video generation tools that will go and basically create content for you that you can go post, and it'll build leads for you. So if I go to the dev site over here, which you can get access to if you become a ShineRanker VIP. If you're not a ShineRanker VIP, you should go sign up and be one. But inside of these different tools, we can actually do certain things like clone our voice, clone our face. We can create automated type videos where we go and post all kinds of really cool stuff. I'm not going to go too deep into this, but if you watch some of my previous videos, you'll see all these really cool videos of me using ShineRanker to actually go and do a lot of this like cloning type things. And let me actually show you what some of these look like. This right here is a video that was completely AI generated. I used ChatGPT to generate it. The script, I'll actually just play it for you so you can hear it. Let me play this.
AI to completely replace yourself on Instagram and get thousands of views. What if I told you that the video you are watching right now is 100% AI generated? The script is AI generated. My voice is AI generated and cloned. The video clips are AI generated. Even the music is AI generated. Soon we will not be able to tell the difference between an AI person or an actual person. What's even crazier is that the people who figure out how to use this technology to their advantage first will become very, very rich. My question to you is, will you be one of them? Respond with the word yes.
Okay, so what happens is people respond with the word yes if they want to learn more. Then what we can do is we can actually set up a bot that will go and comment on their comment and say, hey, I sent you a DM, or we can just send them straight to a landing page where they can go and interact with us and have ChatGPT close them on an appointment. Okay, but that whole video, I used a tool called 11 Labs to clone my voice. I used Gen 2 to go and generate the videos. I use all these different tools to basically pull all this together. But what we have in ShineRanker now is, instead of having to go and use all these different tools and edit a video together, ShineRanker is just going and making these videos in a couple seconds, in like a couple clicks. Okay. And so a lot of those tools are actually coming very, very soon to ShineRanker, where you're going to literally just click a couple buttons. You'll have content like this that you can generate and you can get leads with. Okay. We also have another service that we're going to set up again. We had this for a little while, but we're thinking about bringing it back, which is a contact form service where we'll actually go and send out millions of contact forms, or set up a VPS, virtual private server, for you to go and send out contact forms and get responses, and actually have people go straight into your funnel that uses ChatGPT to book appointments with you. I'm trying to show you an example of one of these contact form submission things here, but there's all kinds of different ways to use basically AI to generate your leads. Again, I'm not going to go super deep into that on this video because I just wanted to show you more about what we're doing with this actual backend. I will be doing more front end videos showing you what to do there very soon, but essentially you would watch some of these other videos that I've made. I'm trying to show you one with the contact forms here because it's really, really cool. But anyways, so let me go to the next thing, which is, how do you sell and make money? Okay, so let's say you start getting some leads into your funnel, right? Like, let's say you start doing some AI generated content, you get people to respond with the word yes, you use bots to follow up with them and respond to their comments. Then what you do is you get them on your calendar, right? When you get them on the calendar, then you can sell them this service if you want. Now, obviously you don't have to sell them a service. You could sell them a product. You could sell them a course. You could sell them whatever you wanted. What the whole point of this phone call, the thing that they're going to book on your calendar, is really just to get on the phone with you, and you're going to recommend what they do. Okay. And so we have about 115 booked calls, something crazy. On those phone calls, we could say, look, best thing to do to start is grab our course. Best thing to do to start is to grab this tool. Best thing. And you can obviously, if you want to go and do like an affiliate thing where you're going and selling a tool, if you want to go and sell a service, it's whatever you want. But the way we're going to set it up for you, if you get the done for you setup, is we would clone our funnel on top of your account, of your high level account. And then you can decide what you want to sell. Okay. If you want to have the appointments go to you and you want to sell this service, great. If you want to have the appointments go to us and you just want an affiliate of whatever we close, that's something we're thinking about setting up as well. If you want to set this up for your clients, if you just want the cloned system and then you want to go and clone it for your own clients, you could do that. Okay. So the possibilities are pretty endless with this. It's sort of up to you on where you want to take it. But that's pretty much how the system works. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Happy to answer you.